So right here we do have the DJI Neo. This is the first generation, and then we do have the battery that you can put inside. So this is actually my first time using this one outdoors. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works and whatnot before we do get the DJI Neo 2. So set it all up and let's give it a try. Alright, so we're gonna try out the first mode here, which is the takeoff mode on here. So you use your palm and you guys press the follow option here. So I can give it a try and see how it works. Alright, so this is pretty much what the product looks like once you guys have it all set up. So I actually have it all set up now. So we can control it either on the app right here, if you guys can see, which is like the different modes you guys can choose from on here. If you guys do one from the rocket mode, circle mode, manual mode, drone mode, spotlight mode, and etc. Or we can just use it directly on here. So all it does is that you put your hand onto the unit and it starts when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. So we just did this quick little test right here. So this is what happened when it follows me right here, and I'll show you guys what the image looks like later on as well. So it looks pretty good quality if you guys can see on here. So I'm gonna turn it on again, but this time I'm gonna have it follow me and then show you guys what it looks like when we actually do use it. So all you guys need to do is change the mode to whatever you guys want to use and then press and hold this button here to activate it. So I'll try my best to use one hand to do it. So you press and hold this button right here and put it onto your palm.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
And it'll pretty much keep you guys in frame and follow you guys here if you guys can see. So when you guys are doing it, you guys want to make sure there's no obstacles and stuff when it follows you, which is kind of cool. It does look for your face when you guys are using it on here, as you can see. I believe when I do turn around on here, it does also follow you guys as well. So I'll try to turn around, and then whatever you guys will see next will be coming directly from here. So I believe even if you guys do run on here, it will keep you guys in frame as well. And if you guys want to stop it, just press and hold it. Or just go like this, and it comes down. So that's pretty cool. I'm curious about to see what it looks like at nighttime when you guys do use it. So I'll probably get some footage on here and show you guys what it looks like in the daytime and nighttime. So stay tuned for all those videos. But this one's a quick little tutorial to show you guys how it works. You don't even need to know how to fly a drone to use this product here, which is kind of cool. So this is actually my first time flying outdoors. So I'll probably go to somewhere else and try it out as well. There are a lot of like ducks and stuff here, so I don't want to disturb them. But yeah, I also got the Neo 2. So when that comes, I'll probably give you guys a comparison of that one versus this one here. But this is pretty much what you guys do get for this unit here. Alright, so I'm trying to find somewhere that's nearby, that's not too far to record or try it out, and I don't really see anywhere that is kind of close by that I can use. So I think I'll probably just record a few more footage on here and show you guys what it looks like when I kind of walk around and kind of run around it, so you can see how it kind of works. So what you guys will be seeing next will be the actual unit itself, lifting off, recording, and everything else on the unit when we do use it. Just makes it easier just to be around this area right here where there's still cars but not as much, and it's like a nice quiet area where it's not really disturbing a lot of people here. So I'm probably just gonna record it on here, and I'll see if I have time later on to record at nighttime, but this is what it looks like for right now. So everything that you guys will see next will be coming from the product. You guys can definitely see that it looks very high quality and everything, which is really nice. So let's give it a try and see how it works. Alright, so right now we are in outdoor setting at nighttime. You can see a lot darker. It gave me a lot of issues when running. So I'll have to try it a little bit and see how it works or not. So I'll try to have it run, follow me to see if it works. So it lost me right there already because it's a little bit too dark, if you guys can see. So it seems like the product, if you guys try to record this at nighttime, it's probably not a good idea, especially unless it's like really like bright out in the dark area, then you guys can use it. But if it's like really, really dark outside, you guys can see how it runs that issue right there. So only mainly ideal for you guys to use it in a bright setting or in the daytime, not so much at nighttime when you guys to use it.